Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today I'm doing a closure install. Alright, I just put the concealer foundation on the closure and I'm just, putting it on her head. I use the elastic band method because it's going to be even more secure. So once that glue, starts to lift up, honey, we won't have any issues. So what I'm doing right now is just adjusting it. I'm taking my 91% alcohol, honey, period. Get you some. And I'm just going to clean her forehead to get any excess makeup off, all that. And I'm going to pin that on back. Pin it back, pin it back. Alright, and then I'm going to take my Boho Skin Protect, honey. I'm going to just spray that on that napkin. And I'm going to also wipe this across her forehead and just, make sure it dries first before you apply the glue. Because you want to have that barrier. Now I'm taking the Boho Extreme Cream. I'm so mad I didn't have Boho Active. But y'all, this was my first time using this and I really, really like it. But I'm just going to dot it on. Dot, 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 honey. And just pay attention. I'm just going to smear it back. Make sure, like if I was using a cap, I would have made sure that I put some on the cap as well. But right now I'm not using a cap, so I'm just want it to be about a ½ inch wide because I don't want to get it all in her edges. It's okay if it does get in her edges. It's not going to break her edges off, but you really don't want to do that. You want to stick to putting it on the skin, on the forehead. And I'm just going to smear that on down, babe. And you want it to dry clear before you apply your next layer. And I did 3 layers. Tap, tap, honey. And this was the last layer. And it just glides on. Like once that first layer, dries clear, the rest it just glides right on. Just glides, honey. Yes, but we finna lay this lace, honey. Yes. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. I'm almost at 150 subscribers. And once I get to 200 subscribers, I'm definitely going to do a giveaway. So stay tuned for that. Now, honey, it's time to lay that lace. You want to start in the middle. My elbow was all in the way, like, really? But you see, I put it right in that middle. Tap, tap, tap. You just want to dip the rest of that lace right into that glue, honey, real quick. As soon as it dry clear, you just put it right into that glue. And you can use either the bottom of your comb, like I'm doing the little rat tail part, or the teeth of your comb to like really lay that lace in. And you see me pulling it back because I didn't sew it down yet. It's just the band that's holding it. And I do this because I like to lay my lace first, and then I go back and I sew, so I know exactly how much needs to be pulled and all that. You kind of get what I'm talking about? But yeah, y'all gonna see. Just watch, You see, I'm using that comb, the back of that comb, the teeth of that comb to really melt that lace in. And of course, this is not the finished product yet, so it's melted, honey. It looks like scalp already, honey. Period. But just look at that, honey. Yes. And then I'm just going to go back in with that comb. Just keep on working that lace into her skin. And y'all, I forgot my damn blow dryer at the salon. So we had to do it. The ghetto way, the hood way, honey, period. But this is my sister, so she was with it. If it was a client, I would have just did it at the shop. But this is my little sister. And honey, I had my baby. I couldn't go to the salon that day. Y'all see, most of it is all melted in. So what I'm going to do now is just, I'm going to pull it taut, not tight, but pull it just enough. And I'm going to sew that down. Sorry about the angle, y'all. Next time, I definitely got y'all. Normally, I record at the salon, but I had to do a home kitchen slay, honey, period. She had a game. My little sister's a cheerleader. Whoop, whoop. So I had to hook her up, honey. And this is an old lace. This is a lace that she done reused about 3 times. And honey, we still make it work. to like this video and comment down below what you think. If you have any tips, I am definitely open to that. I do not mind. I am a licensed cosmetologist, but honey, we all learning new stuff, period. But I've been doing closures and frontals for a little minute now, so I think I got it down pat. What y'all think? I was focused, honey. Look at that face. Everything is nice and sewn down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of that glue and get any pieces that did not get glued down. You know, because sometimes you got little pieces in the front that didn't get glued down. So I'm just going to comb that lace back. You see them little pieces? That's kind of lifting up. Well, it's not really much on that side, but that lace is melted, honey. It looks like her scalp. But right there in that corner, I'm just going to take some of that glue. And I'm still going to smear it in like I normally would until it turns clear. Once it turns clear, I'm just going to dip that lace right on in there. And I put enough so I don't have to do 3 layers. I'm not going to do 3 layers of that. No. Just a little dab. And put enough. Smear it in real good. So it's nice and flat, excuse me. And on this side, you see I got a little bit lifting right up under there. She was tired, y'all. My poor sister. She was tired. Put that right on up underneath that lace. I'm gonna hold it back and smear it in. I just laid it down, honey, and I'm using my scissors to just cut off any excess pieces that I don't need. And I'm also using them kind of like the further melted. Now it's dry, so I'm gonna take my Nairobi foaming lotion, honey, and I'm gonna really lay that lace down. All them hairs, I'm gonna smooth it all down. Cause y'all, I forgot my hot comb too. Like, this is a bad day, but listen, you can still slay your closure without your hot comb and your blow dryer. I did have a hooded blow dryer though for her to go underneath, but as far as like a hand dryer, yeah. Now it's on to the baby hairs, babe. I should have cut them first, but yeah, next time cut them first. I wasn't thinking. I was a little tired too, but she still got slayed, period. Just gonna part out some hair from the front because it's an older lace, so I needed to make new baby hairs. Just gonna part it out, and then I'm gonna take some more of that Nairobi foaming lotion, honey, and put it right on top. And when you're doing baby hairs with, you know, any foaming wrap, you gotta be real quick, real swift, and real light-handed. So just watch how I do this. I'm gonna zoom in. Here you go. Like, I'm barely touching it. It's all like comb work. Y'all see that? Like, you really don't want to touch it because you don't want any lifting. Like, because if you get that lifting, you're gonna be pissed. Y'all see that? Period. And I know she wanted that little swoop in the middle, so we had to add that in there. She was like, I want the extra edges. I said, oh, honey, period. Here you go. So I'm just, you know, using kind of like the tip of my finger and the comb to just, you know, smooth it on down. And I'm making like these C motions, kind of like finger waves, basically. And I love the Nairobi foaming lotion because you don't need a lot. I'm just going to take that wrap strip, or you can use a silk wrap, don't matter, and just tie it on down. And then she's going to go under my hooded dryer for about 15 minutes to mold that baby down. Period. Now on to the sewing. She's back from underneath the dryer, so I'm just going to start sewing that hair in. I ain't gonna bore y'all with this. Y'all seen me do a sewing before, so if you do want to, you know, update a video on how I sew in my bundles with a closure, then just let me know, because I definitely can make that for you guys, like more detail. Just comment down below. know, y'all, and let me know how y'all liking this voiceover thing. Like, I'm really liking it. So y'all comment down below and let me know, like, is it too much? Do I need to calm down? Because I be hyped when it comes to y'all. Oh, and if y'all have any prank ideas, please comment them down below, because y'all, I'm gonna get my husband, period. I'm gonna get him. But let's get back to the video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. What are you waiting for? Make sure you subscribe. Alright, so I'm just, gonna zoom past this real quick. I'm just sewing it in, going back and forth, and I am flipping my bundles over, because I don't like cutting bundles, especially when it's unnecessary. Like, if this was a unit, if I was making a unit, I wouldn't even cut the bundles until I got to the tip top, because you want it to be super flat and you want it to last. But this is just a sewing. I didn't cut any of the bundles. What I do is I double the first 2 bundles, and then the last bundle I'll single weft it. And I still do use the flip over method, but it'll be single, so that way it's super flat. But yes, I'm just sewing and sewing. I go really fast, y'all. Like, I don't know, I just move so quick. And I did fast forward this, speed it up a little bit for y'all, but I did her sewing, like a sewing part, in about 30 minutes. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, KAYS Creations with a K _. Go follow me. And you can follow my personal page at LaceStayRight _. Alright, honey, so all the bundles are sewn in. Like, just look at that. But watch me work. How come who? How come who? Now let's lay this damn lace. I'm sorry, let's lay this damn hair down, honey. Period. The lace is already melted. Y'all see that? And I love this flower. And this is the Conair Infinity Pro. I also have, what is my flower called? Damn, I forgot what it's called. But that one is bomb too. I got it from the mall. But I like the Infinity Pro for long weaves. Like, any long extensions, long weaves, I feel like it works wonders. But for natural hair, no, I do not use it. I just feel like it don't really get it that good. But listen, for the weaves, honey, oh yeah. Like, y'all see that? And then also, it was easy to, really press it out and blend it in real good. Because remember, I molded it down, and I already molded the hair so that it'll be nice and flat at the top too. But I love for the hair to be flat, honey, and looking just bomb. And I'm just using a little oil sheen, give it a little shine. Just really getting up in there, and I'm just pressing her out. Period. See, perfectionist. That little piece, I couldn't let it go. Had to get it. Just want to really press that hair out. Press it out. Look at that. Melted lace on flat. Period. She was like, period. My sister's cute. And then I'm just going to go around and press her out. Continue pressing that hair out. Look at that, y'all. All pressed out. I added a little oil on my hands, and I'm just rubbing it on the baby hairs because they are very soft, but they're still molded, Clean up her part using the foundation that I use to put on the closure. That's why it's nice and sharp. Get into it. If you guys like this video, please leave a comment below. I really love your input, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I post. See ya!